It's Ranger Keith. I'm out birding this morning, and I thought maybe you could use a minute to just wind down. We're just gonna sit and listen and be present. And if you don't know your bird calls, that's okay. I'll just tell you what they are as we go. Here we go. Garp, garp, garp. Oh, there's a red-bellied woodpecker. Most of this noise you hear are red-headed woodpeckers that harp, harp, and also blurp, blurp, blurp. PBR off in the distance, eastern wood pewee. More red-headed woodpeckers. Garp. Green frog, not a bird. Carolina chickadee is one of their calls. All right, I'll see you later.